Hello guys, how are you? How have you been? I hope you've been great. I hope you're sanitizing. I hope you are wearing your mask. I hope you are staying safe. Please stay safe. First of all, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I'm so humbled. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to also leave a comment in the comment section. Today I'm so excited because we are talking about the hair. Oh yes, we are going to handle our natural straightened hair today. I want to show you how you can rock different styles with your natural hair. First of all, where I'm going to measure most is the curls. Who doesn't love curls? Oh yes, we are going to get curls on our natural hair using a very natural method. So walk along with me through the video and you will see how you can get your curls on your hair, on your natural hair of course, but it is straightened. How you can get your curls, how you can rock them for almost 1 week. Yes, almost 1 week, and you will be having your straightening still on, and you will be having your curls. And trust me, if you follow this, even in the second week you can still have your curls on. So come along, let's do this. You know that stressing moment when you've just undone your hair and you're just thinking, oh my god, what am I going to do with this hair? I want to throw into you different ways on what you can do with your hair by just doing a simple straightening to it, or just blow drying it. So after straightening your hair, the first style which will make you look so amazing is whereby you'll just comb your hair and just use a clip to hold it at the back. Just roll it well, then clip it, and it looks so simple and beautiful. That is the front view, and that is our back view. Awesome and so simple. You can do it by your own. So the second way in which we can rock our just straightened hair is whereby we will create a fringe, partition your hair, cut a small section, then comb it coming to the front. Just comb it coming to the front. If you love it going to sideways, it's okay, as you desire. Create the fringe, and you will need your clip again to hold the back side. Clip it at the back with your clip, and that is the second way in which you can rock your just straightened hair. It looks beautiful, guys. Just wait for my favorite back, and that is the back view. It looks great. That is the second way in which you can rock your just straightened hair. And so I'm going to the most crucial part that has brought you here, and that is how to attain curls. You will need your rollers, and with a comb, partition your hair into small sections. Then take your rollers, roll them, roll the small hair that you've taken with the first roller. It depends. If you have longer hair, you can just use less rollers, because the longer the hair, the less curls you'll need. Or if you want your curls to be more, you will have to use more rollers. So just partition the hair, cut into small sections. As you roll them, repeat this until you've rolled the whole of your hair with rollers. It will take time, but trust me, when you're done, you'll just be happy. And because this is natural hair, you will have to sleep with your rollers on. We want to attain our curls in a natural way, a way in which we won't use the dryer. So you'll have to sleep with your rollers on. Don't forget that part, sleeping with your rollers on. And here comes our full head with rollers. So don't forget this important part. when you're sleeping, you might lose the rollers, so you will need a headscarf to sleep with it on your head. You don't want to lose your rollers, and you don't even want to lose your curls. That is what you want to achieve. In the morning, just undo, remove the curls one by one, and trust me, you'll enjoy the results. And here comes the curls. They're so lovely, they are so awesome. The secret is just sleeping with them, guys. Just sleep with them. So my good people, in the third dress whereby we are going to only curl the front part. As you can see, the back part only made some matutas. So in the front part is where I put the curls, because I only want my curls only at the front part, and the back part will be my hair. I'll comb it. Remove your rollers. Remember, it is only the front part. This is the third way in which you can rock your straightened hair. Remove the curls. And remember, you have to sleep with them if you want your curls to last long. With this look, you can go with your curls for like 2 days when they're still beautiful. So this is the look. This is the front part of our curls, and that is the back part. You comb the back part and the front part remains with curls. Thank you very much, my good people, for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Let's get interactive in the comment section too. I love you people.